Hi, this is Komal from Ashirwad Jaipur. We are back with our new collections. All the designs we showcase is our own manufacturing, so we deal in both wholesale as well as retail. From today, we are starting with our resellers group also, so you'll get the updates. Whosoever is not getting and wants to get added can message me. So I'll start with my first designs. For orders or queries, contact us on 960-2265-888. I repeat, 960-2265-888. So I start with my first design. This is a cotton kurta. See the embroidery and handwork on the neck. Cotton plain black pants with this. And this is the dupatta with this. This is Maheshwari dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 16.95 and this is black color. This is second design in cotton. See the handwork on the neck. Crochet detailings on the neck. Crochet detailings on the bottom of the kurta. This is the plain pants with this. And Chanderi dupatta with this. This is Chanderi dupatta with block print. We have two colors in this. This is pink and this is blue. So we have two colors with Chanderi dupatta it is. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 16.95. This is again a block print kurta. See the embroidery on the neck. Handwork on the neck. On the top it is handwork and the rest is print. See the gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta. Plain contrast pants with this. And again Chanderi block print dupatta with this. See the dupatta. This is Chanderi full dupatta with block print. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 15.95. This is again a cotton kurta. See the gotapatti work on the neck. This is the brooch neck. See the gotapatti on full kurta. Crochet detailings on the bottom of the kurta. See the pants with crochet detailings. And cotton full dupatta with this. This is cotton dupatta with crochet detailings. And we have two colors in this. This is peach and another one is bluish green it is. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 16.95. Now this is a Lehriya print. As the festive season is coming, so we are launching this Lehriya and Bandi prints today. See the handwork on the neck, gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta, plain pants with this, and see the dupatta. This is pure chiffon dupatta with gota detailings. Bandej dupatta it is. We have two colors in this, yellow and pink. Very nice festive colors. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 15.95. Now this is a cotton kurta. See the crochet detailings on the neck. Crochet detailings on the bottom of the kurta. See the kurta. These are the pants with crochet detailings. And this is pure chiffon dupatta with this, with gota detailings and crochet. See the dupatta. Full dupatta it is. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 21.95. Mask also with this. This is again a cotton block print kurta. See the real gota work with embroidery and mirror work on the neck. Crochet detailings on the bottom of the kurta. Crochet detailings on the pant. Printed pants with crochet detailings. And this is again with pure chiffon dupatta it is. With borders all over. We have two colors in this. This is light yellow and another one is grey. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2195. This is again a cotton kurta. See the gotapatti work. This is bandi print. Complete gotapatti work on the neck. See the pants. And see the heavy dupatta with this. See the dupatta. With gota detailings and the patchwork on the dupatta. With block print. We have 3 colors in this. This is pink. Second one is blue. And the third is yellow. So we have 3 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795. 1795 is the price. Now this is a muslin kurta. Pure muslin fabric it is. With real gota work and mirror work. This is the gota work all over the kurta. With melange fabric pants and gota detailings. And also pure chiffon dupatta with gota detailings. Dual shade dupatta it is. Pink with white contrast. We have 2 colors in this. This is pink and second is yellow. See the dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44, 46 and the price is 2295. 2295 is the price. Now this is a melange fabric kurta. This is a heavy one. See the gota detailings on the neck. Gota detailings all over the kurta. Melange fabric it is. And the pant is also melange. See the gota detailings on the pant. And pure chiffon dupatta again. Have a look at the borders. With gota detailings. This is a full dupatta. We have 3 colors in this. First is this green. We have this yellow with pink combination. And the third is grey. This is grey purplish color actually. Not exactly grey, this is purplish kind of shade. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2895. Now this is a peplum kurta in cotton. See the gota detailings on the neck. This is peplum. Tassels on the sides. This is the sharara with this. Full flared sharara. And cotton dupatta with gota detailings. Sizes available are 36 to 42. We have 36, 40, 36, 38, 40 and 42. 4 sizes in this. And the price is 1895. Now this is again a muslin fabric. See the work on the neck. Work all over the kurta. Bani print it is. See the sharara. Full flared sharara it is with gota detailings. Gota detailings on the bottom of the sharara. And Kota Doria dupatta with this. Kota Doria dupatta with gota detailings. We have 2 colors in this. This is pink and this is green. So we have 2 colors. Pink with grey combination and green is with yellow combination. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2195. This is again a pure muslin fabric. See the gota detailings on the neck with pure original gota work and embroidery. See the kurta. This is the sharara with this, with gota detailings and the dupatta with borders all over. We have 3 colors in this. Pure chiffon dupattas. This is pinkish onion color, this is blue, and the third one is green. So we have 3 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 4695 with original gota work. This is another design in Sharara. See the gota patti work on the neck. Full gota work. This is original gota work on muslin fabric, pure muslin with embroidery. You can see how it looks. This is pure Malwal fabric Sharara with gota detailings and with pure chiffon dupatta with borders all over and gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 4695. This is again pure fabric muslin with original gota work, and this is embroidery. Pure Malmal fabric Sharara with this and pure chiffon dupatta with borders all over. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 4695. Gota work was there on the sleeves also. 4695 is the price. Now I'll show you kaftan. This is mirror work with gota work and embroidery on the neck. Tassels in the center. Pure muslin fabric. See the pom-poms on the sides with gota detailings. This is pure muslin fabric. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2295. We do have pants also with this. This is with pants. I'll show you. Malanj, pure Malanj fabric pants. Kaftan with pants. This is another design in kaftan. Pure muslin fabric it is. With mirror work, gota work, tassels in the center, pom-poms on the sides, crochet detailing on the bottom of the kurta, and this is the pants again, Malanj pants. And we have 3 colors in this. This is yellow, peach, and the third one is grey. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2195, and these are pure Malanj fabric. Now I'll show you long dresses. See, this is a long dress with sequence work on the neck, with pita work on the neck, gota detailings on the sleeves, gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta, printed pants along with this, and this is full size dupatta. We have 2 colors in this. This is yellow and another one is green. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1895. This is again a long dress. See the mirror work on the neck with embroidery all over. Again mirror work on the bottom of the kurta with gota detailings all over. These are the pants with this, printed pants, and this is the dupatta. This is stroll dupatta with work all over. This is the work on the sides, all 4 sides of the dupatta. We have 2 colors in this. This is blue and another one is yellow. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1995. 1995 is the price. Now this is a cotton dress. This is full long dress on cotton. See the embroidery and gota work on the neck. Gota detailings all over. See the lace on the bottom. These are the pants with this, printed pants. And cotton dupatta with this. This is cotton full dupatta. Sizes available are 36 to 44. We have 36 to 44 in this and the price is 2195. This is again a cotton kurta. Printed cotton with gota detailings on the neck. Tassels on both the sides. These are the printed pants with this. And bandhni dupatta with this. Pure chiffon bandhni dupatta with gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795. This I have restocked after huge demand. Many people were asking for this, so I had to restock. See the kurta with handwork, with crochet detailings on the bottom of the kurta. See the full flare of the dress. These are the printed pants with this, and see the dupatta with crochet detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1895. This again I have to restock after huge demand. See the gota detailings on the neck, gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta, plain maroon pants with this, and cotton full dupatta with gota detailings. Many people were asking for this. I have very huge demand for these pieces. Whosoever wants, please book as soon as possible. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795. This is again a cotton dress, Angrakha style, cream color it is with maroon combination, printed pants with this. See the look of the dress, and cotton dupatta with this. This is full dupatta. We have two colors in this, cream with maroon and cream with blue. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1595. 1595 is the price. Now this is a Shifli dress. This is lemon yellow color. See the crochet lace. See the crochet work lace on the bottom. How heavy the lace is. Have a look. Linings are attached. Pure cotton heavy linings attached. And pure chiffon dupatta with these crochet laces. In this we have only M size available and this is priced at 4000. See the tassels. Shifli it is. 4000 is the price. This is again a cotton dress. See the crochet detailings with handwork on the neck, crochet detailings on the bottom of the kurta, plain yellow pants with this, and kota duriya dupatta with this. See the dupatta with gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1895. At the end, the one I'm wearing, I have three colors in this. This is with full embroidery. You can have a look. Full embroidery all over the kurta. We have three colors in this. First is this grey. This is not the print, I'm telling you again. This is full embroidery on the sleeves, on the neck, all over the kurta. This is embroidery. With pants, I'll show you the pants. And lining is also attached in this kurta. I'll show you the pants. Embroidery is there on the pants also. See the embroidery on the pants. And cotton stroll dupatta. This is not a full dupatta, stroll dupatta with tassels on all the four sides. This is grey color. Second one is this yellow color. And the third one is the pink, the one I'm wearing. So sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2195. So that's all for today. Thank you so much everyone. Please book as soon as possible. I've showed you many designs today and we have very limited stock, so please book as soon as possible. Thank you so much everyone.